Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's turn you. This time we talk about IU and Park Bok Joon when life gives you Chandigarh episode 9 or 12 is release date, time, what to watch, what to expect, and more. The latest Korean drama when life gives you Chandigarh has taken the world by storm, drawing viewers in with its breathtaking and the cinematography, compelling storytelling, and powerful performances. Since its highly anticipated premiere on March 7, 2025, the series has quickly become one of the most talked about dramas of the year as the audience remains deeply invested in the unfolding story and the many are eager to know when they can expect to the next episode to drop. I know when life gives you a Challenger will be delighted to know that the Korean drama consists of 60 episodes, each with the runtime of approximately 1 hour. Unlike traditional Korean drama that release 2 episodes per week, this series follows a unique 4 episode per week schedule, keeping the excitement level consistently high, with the first two batches of episodes having already set the tone for an unforgettable journey. Viewers are new eagerly awaiting the next installment. The incoming episode 9 or 12 will be released on March 21, 2025 at the 5 p.m. KST on Netflix. When life gives you Teenager is more than just a romance, it is an epic tale that spans multiple decades and weaving together theme of fate, preservation, and self-discovery. At the heart of the story is the Oh Aesum, a fearlessly independent woman from the Jeju Island who refuses to conform to socialite expectations, played by the multi-talented IU as the Asen is a rebel at heart, constantly challenging fate that has been laid out of her. Alongside her stand young Gwen-sik, portrayed by even charismatic Park Bo-gum. Unlike Asen, Gwen-sik is unwavering in his devotion, having loved her for as long as he can remember. His character represents stability, loyalty, and a deep understanding of the woman he cherishes. The drama, directed by the acclaimed Kim Won-suk, is a visual love letter to Jeju Island. Every frame transforms viewers into a world rich with culture, tradition, and breathtaking landscape from the age-old practice and the Hyonyos, female dives who harvest seafood from the ocean to the vibrant yellow canola field that stretch across the island. The setting itself plays a critical role in the shaping the story atmosphere. That set when life gives you trigger. Apart it is layered storytelling. The drama does not just follow Aeson and the Gwaxin in one timeline, but instead explore their lives across different periods through the use of flashback and the time jump. The series paints a detailed portrait of how their love and personal journey evolved over the year. To bring this ambitious narrative to life, the drama features a powerhouse cast portraying the character of different stages of their lives. IU and Park Go-gyum take on the role of the adult version of the Aeson and Gwaxi, showcasing their youthful passion, struggle, and the ambition. As the story progresses, the middle-aged vision of these characters are portrayed by the Monsore and Park Hye-jun, capturing the weight of time and the experience that have shaped them. I hope you will enjoy this video. Like and subscribe my channel. Have a nice time. Goodbye.